What if you could create and sell coloring books without drawing a single line? AI just made this possible, and creators are earning hundreds per month. Coloring books are evergreen sellers on Amazon. Parents, teachers, and therapists constantly buy them. AI art generators now create consistent, printable designs instantly. You need zero artistic skill. The barrier to entry? Gone. The profit potential? Real. Thousands of creators are already capitalizing on this trend. Step 1. Use Midjourney or DALL-E to generate coloring book line art with specific prompts. Step 2. Upscale and refine images in Photoshop or free alternatives. Step 3. Compile 25-50 designs into a PDF. Step Use line art style coloring book illustration, simple lines, white background, high contrast, detailed patterns. Target niches, animals, mandalas, nature, fantasy, educational themes. Test multiple designs. Track which keywords convert best. Refine and republish variations constantly. One book averages 2 to 7 profit per sale. Sell 20 books monthly? That's 40 to 40 passive income. Scale to 50 books and watch earnings multiply. Your only costs, AI subscriptions and KDP setup. No inventory, no shipping, pure leverage. This is realistic, achievable, and sustainable long-term. Ready to start? Subscribe for more AI monetization strategies. Like if you're trying passive income and comment your niche idea below.